like in Kentucky, the home of bourbon.
Your attention, please. Airport security alert. Please maintain control of your bags at all times and report any unattended baggage or suspicious activities to the nearest law enforcement official or TSA representative.
So it's not going to go regular chicken.
Hello, thank you.
Has it been tagged, ma'am? If you would please by the door. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome you aboard of Flight 375. This is service into Bozeman, Montana. As we all know, that masks are now federally mandated for your crew as well as all passengers. Your mask will need to cover both the nose and mouth and for the entirety of our flight.
30. Yep.
Next service into Bozeman. Thank you. Welcome aboard.
Is it pink?
We gotta get you in and we'll have one beside us.
Folks from the flight deck, good news is pushback from the gate and we're all catered and on our way. Bad news is, due to the thunderstorms that were overhead just a few minutes ago, the backup for takeoff, we're about number 30 in line to take off. Should be on our way here, but it's probably going to be about a half hour before our wheels are going to leave the pavement. Thanks for choosing Delta Airlines, and thanks for patience in the matters today.
Yes, there was actually a legit tornado warning as we were boarding the flight, so I guess the fact that we made it this far, we should just consider ourselves to be lucky, I guess. Alright, where were we? Alright, this is obviously not accurate because we are not going to the Central African Republic, so I don't know why I don't know why the flight map would be saying that. That's hilarious.
Pat Paris and your Minneapolis-St. Paul-based cockpit crew, Fort Lauderdale-Miami-based flight attendants. Certainly it's a pleasure to have you aboard 375, service into Bozeman. We're looking at about 3 hours and 35 minutes of flight time today. We definitely expect a few minutes of some chop throughout our climb out, so please do remain seated. Seatbelts fastened till the seatbelt sign has been turned off. always, completing our safety check, we'll collect any items that you would like to dispose of. We'll ensure that the larger devices have now been turned off, properly stowed overhead, and placed beneath your seat for our gate arrival. Delta Airlines welcomes you to Bozeman, ladies and gentlemen. You will have a 2-hour time change, local time at 2:44. You may now use handheld electronics, including cellular telephones. Larger items will need to remain stowed for our gate arrival.